प्रिय पालकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, कोरोना महामारी ने जहां दुनिया को तबाही में ढकेल दिया है, जान बचाना मुश्किल हो गया है, परंतु इससे लड़ने की बहुत सारी तैयारियां भी हो रही हैं। पूरी दुनिया के विद्या की बगिया उजड़ गई है, स्कूल बंद हैं। स्कूल में बच्चे जब जाते हैं तो लगता है फूल खिल रहे हैं, खिलखिला रहे हैं। एक लंबा अरसा बीत गया है। हमारी संस्था ने 18 मार्च से 25 मई तक स्कूल के टीचर्स द्वारा वीडियो लेसन्स के जरिए आपके बच्चों की पढ़ाई जारी रखी। इसमें आप सभी पालकों ने बहुत सहयोग दिया। मैं आप सभी को बहुत धन्यवाद करता हूँ। आगामी 6 जुलाई से कक्षा चौथी से 12वीं तक के बच्चों के लिए हम लाइव क्लासेस की शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। इसमें बच्चों के स्क्रीन टाइम पर विशेष ध्यान दिया जाएगा और सिर्फ आवश्यक विषयों के क्लास कंडक्ट की जाएगी। बच्चों को सुरक्षित रखने के लिए बच्चे ये सब चीज़ें अपने घर से पढ़ेंगे, परंतु टीचर्स स्कूल में अपनी संबंधित क्लासों से ही इसको कंडक्ट करेंगे। मेरी आप पालकों से अनुरोध है कि जिस समय बच्चे ऑनलाइन क्लासेज करें, आप उन पर ध्यान देने का कष्ट करें। आज 1 जुलाई है, जब आज डॉक्टर्स डे के रूप में 1 जुलाई को पूरे समाज और बीमार लोगों के लिए जो सेवा किया है, उससे मन में अनायास ही ये बात आती है कि हमें उनके लिए सद्भावना और सम्मान व्यक्त करने के लिए तैयार रहना चाहिए। मैं पूरे अपने प्यारे बच्चों से अपील करता हूं कि इस विषय पर एक लेख तैयार करें और उस लेख को हम संस्था में प्रकाशित करेंगे और जो अच्छे निबंध होंगे, जो अच्छे लेख होंगे, उस पर पुरस्कार भी दिया जाएगा और इस लेख की एक पुस्तिका बना के सारे नर्सिंग होम, सरकारी अस्पताल सब जगह वितरित करके हम उनका सम्मान व्यक्त करेंगे। अंत में मैं आपसे पुनः एक बार कि कोरोना ने जिस तरह से हमें परिवार में रहकर जीना सिखाया है, घर का खाना सिखाया है, उसी तरह अभी महामारी गई नहीं है। हमें तैयार रहना चाहिए, सुरक्षा के लिए जो भी नियम है उसको पालन करना चाहिए और हमें इस महामारी से विजय करके दिखाना चाहिए कि हम विजयी रहेंगे और हम विजयी जरूर होंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Dear parents, Holy Hearts School welcomes all children wholeheartedly to the new era of education. I wish I could welcome you in person. Circumstances are different and it is very difficult time for everyone. The COVID-19 pandemic is having a devastating effect on all of us and around the world. Our campus is closed, but school is open and all teachers are together as a community. We are happy to launch the new era of IT-enabled education in the online classes. I am happy to introduce to you the virtual classes for our students. Virtual classes are live classes where the concerned subject teachers will be taking the classes. The starting of classes and its timing will be shared with you all by all the concerned subject teachers. I would like to refresh your memory. Holy Hearts School was the first to introduce online classes that started from 18th March and it was on till 25th of May. In this, the teachers shared their lectures on the school's YouTube channel, conducted assessment, shared holiday homework. Till date, the school's YouTube channel has more than 800 video lessons that have been viewed more than 2.5 lakhs times. Now moving on, we are starting the next phase of online education. in which we will be teaching our virtual students online through the platform of Zoom. This will help in face-to-face interaction with teachers. The module of online teaching that we have made is strictly as per government and CBSE guidelines. At the same time, we have kept in mind about our students. Before finalizing the format of online, that is live classes, we took opinion from many parents, teachers and doctors. We have kept in mind their feedback and trying to make online education really effective and near to classroom teaching experiences. I would like to inform you that online, that is live classes, will begin from 6th of July and will continue till we are able to start the school again. Please note few important directives that will be important to conduct online classes smoothly. Please arrange a broadband or 4G connection at home. Availability of desktop will be more suitable, or a tablet or smartphone will surely be needed. Since online classes are going to be here at least for more than a month, we request you to arrange for a device. Please remember following rules during the live classes. Number 1, as you know that we will be using Zoom app to conduct the classes, please install the app on your device. Second, you will get the link of Zoom online class on your respective class WhatsApp group. Number 3, you have to be ready with the study material and log in through the link shared by the concerned teacher. Number 4, you have to wear school uniform during the class time. Number 5, the classes would start with 10 minutes assembly and length of online class will be around 3 hours. Number 6, 5 minutes break would be given after each period. During the break, this is suggested that you have to close your eyes and give a break to yourself. Number 7, parents must watch their word, should maintain a proper distance between the eyes and gadget that is used. Please ensure that your ward is not using any other application while the class is going on. Number 8, you have to be very attentive during class because the topic taught in the class will not be repeated. Children can ask their doubts only after the session is complete. Now, don'ts of the live classes. Number 1, there should be no disturbance caused by any during the live class is conducted. Number 2, attendance will be taken by the teachers, so all students have to be very attentive and be present. Number 3, disable icons like chat, share screen recording while using the Zoom app. Number 4, sharing of unnecessary posts or videos during the session is a cyber crime. Next is the online class is purely for you and the link should not be shared. Number 6, please counsel your ward to be sincere during the class by not writing anything in chat box and always keep the mic in mute mode. We will be sending you the class timetable shortly in your respective WhatsApp group. Please remember that what is taught now during the online classes will not be repeated again, and also the test that will be taken will be counted while preparing your final results. We are really looking forward to all that we can do, all the learning that can take place and keeping us together during this very difficult time. We are going to get through this. Take care, be healthy, be safe. Let's embrace this online journey and make the most of it together. Seek your support in making this learning endure an effective one. Jai Hind.